Every day, communities across Nigeria face rising insecurity, such as armed robbery, kidnapping, terrorism, and delayed response. This continues to put lives at risk. Traditional surveillance systems are limited. Cameras are fixed, coverage is poor, and threats are often detected too late. That's why we created SkyGuardian AI, an intelligent surveillance drone designed to keep our skies watching and also to keep our communities safe. Equipped with a live video camera, facial recognition, and gait analysis, SkyGuardian AI can identify individuals in real time, helping security teams detect and respond to crises instantly. With its inbuilt communication system, authorities can address crowds, issue warnings, or guide people directly from the sky. With Sky Guardian AI, security becomes proactive, not reactive. Communities are safer, responses are faster, and lives are protected. Sky Guardian AI, protecting people, empowering security, and securing the future.